Welcome to Magnolia, Texas, and the walkthrough video tour of this gorgeous 3 to possibly 4 bedroom home. It has 2 bathrooms and it's a 1-story with an attached garage built in 2007. A long driveway for plenty of parking and a big yard on a corner lot. Over 1,600 square feet under the roof in this home. In the beautiful Hidden Lake Estates Subdivision, there's picturesque lakes all around. And the amenities of the Woodlands are only minutes away. Entertainment, shopping, and healthcare. What a gorgeous family room. With a fireplace, the kitchen's not far. What a beautiful room to entertain. The entire home has a water softener. It's virtually maintenance-free. Quartz countertops and plenty of space in this gourmet island kitchen with upgrades all around. This is a great room. The bedrooms are very spacious. This bedroom would be yours. And it has a private bathroom featuring a seamless glass shower, a soaker tub, and a large double vanity. Can you imagine relaxing right here? Absolutely. Beautiful rooms in which to entertain and really enjoy. This is a great home office. The additional bedrooms are nice and spacious. Plenty of room for whatever it is your family's needs may be. Enjoy the relaxing backyard and the covered patio with a pergola, ceiling fan, and a heated pool and spa with a splashpad and covered patio, creating a backyard oasis. This home is impressive, to say the least. Wouldn't you like for it to be yours?